Because of the subtle variations in how our genomes are expressed, no two people are alike. However, occasionally these biological variations result in highly rare, frequently fatal genetic mutations. In the past, many persons with these mutations were stigmatized as freaks or monsters. But today we understand that they are just a small portion of the wide range of genetic variants present in our species. In this video, we will be looking into 5 unusual genetic mutations of the human body. Before we dive into the video, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. 1. Progeria. This hereditary condition is rare. Hutchinson-Gilford progeria, the disease's traditional form, accelerates aging. Progeria youngsters typically pass away from age-related illnesses around the age of 13, while some can live into their 20s. Usually, a heart attack or stroke results in death. Only 1 in every 8 million live births is affected. A defect in the LNA gene, which codes for a protein that supports the cell nucleus, results in the disease. Along with hard, sclerotic skin, alopecia, whole body baldness, atypical bones, stunted growth, and a distinctively sculptured nasal tip, progeria also manifests as rigid, sclerotic skin. 2. Hypertrichosis. Only 50 occurrences of hypertrichosis, commonly known as werewolf syndrome or Ambras syndrome, have been recorded since the Middle Ages. It can affect as few as 1 person in a billion. On the shoulders, face, and ears of those who have hypertrichosis, hair is abundant. Studies have linked it to a chromosome 8 rearrangement. As hair follicles develop in the 3-month-old fetus at the brow and down to the toes, the crosstalk between the epidermis and the dermis is disrupted. Normally, messages to produce follicles are sent by signals from the dermis. Our 5 million follicles are evenly spaced because each one sends signals to prevent the area around it from developing into a follicle. 3. Marfan syndrome. Marfan syndrome is a hereditary disorder that is characterized by excessive flexibility in its sufferers. Actually, dreadfully adaptable. They are so horrific that actors who play deformed ghosts and ghouls in horror films may earn a living off of them. Javier Botet, a Spanish actor, discovered that he could bend and twist his body into absurd contorted positions. At least that is what he did. The connective tissues of the body are damaged by Marfan syndrome. It causes extraordinarily long limbs, abnormally tall stature, and extremely flexible people. It is a spectrum disease, though, so those with moderate forms can generally have normal lives. However, persons with severe cases can develop potentially fatal heart problems, as well as other organ failures. 4. Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. 1 in every 380,000 babies born has LNS, a genetic condition that mostly affects boys. It causes an excessive buildup of uric acid, a waste product of regular chemical reactions that is present in both blood and urine. However, people who have Lesch-Nyhan emit too much uric acid through their blood, which accumulates beneath the skin and causes gouty arthritis. Moreover, it may result in kidney and bladder stones. The condition also has an impact on behavior and brain function. People can move their bodies involuntarily, such as by tensing their muscles, or by jerking or flailing their limbs. Other prevalent self-mutilating habits include head-banging and lip and finger biting. Allopurinol can be administered to patients to treat their gout, but there are currently no cures for the disease's neurological and behavioral symptoms. 5. Trimethylaminuria. This genetic condition is so uncommon that no one even knows what its incidence rate is. However, if a person with trimethylaminuria is standing next to you, it is quite clear. People with the illness smell like rotten fish, rotting eggs, garbage, or urine because they are unable to break down the naturally occurring, pungent-smelling trimethylamine. And it's a wrap, guys. Thanks for sticking with us till the end. If you know other unusual genetic mutations of the human body, don't hesitate to share them with us in the comment section.